Yep. Hey guys, we got a daily very special review today. A daily special review.
Yeah.
This is my brother Beckham, you know him. And we're gonna do a review of this thing right here.
It's a box.
Yeah. It's these two little black.
Did you know my bike? I'm being fitted.
Alright, we'll look at the batteries of this too. The batteries are actually placed, the batteries are actually placed on the side. Now, if you take this glue off, it actually blows the door. It lights up.
Yeah. I can't see it very well.
What?
Let me show you.
It's really cool.
Yeah.
It can't come off, but it kind of pulls it off. So you yank it, which I'm not going to do because it's funny, but there's a little black thing right here. It says black decal on it, like you.
And I was saying that blocking that on it with this. Oh, don't eat us on it. Don't eat us on it.
We're going to review it.
Oh, we can't review it yet.
Oh, yeah. This doesn't actually come with the black decal. We just need it from other schools to, this anyway.
So then we put it after you go.
There's some kind of, there's a glue in there that you have to undo to get the batteries up. It's kind of hard, so we need possible for the beginning.
Yeah. That means
But the hole is really small in the middle. So what you have to do is you have to unscrew the screwdriver and take it out.
and when we both got it, we got it at Walmart when we walked in. That's Oklahoma.
Yeah.
I
We
just
were going to Grandma Skippy, and Dad thought that this would be a good plaything. And so we'll practically use it. And there's a little hole at the bottom, if you can see it.
Yeah, like this in my wheel.
Yeah, but you put your screws in. We have one screw place in there, but
But we only need five screws.
there's a little holes you can put the screws in and hammer them or screwdriver them. Screwdrivering them is very hard because
Yeah, it's a yellow screwdriver at Grandma's house and at Grandma's house. We have lots of food, but we have screwdrivers and that it was really hard to screw. Like you can't do this.
you can't do this. Easy as a rock. You can't do like a real like it's harder than a real screwdriver.
Yeah.
So we'll be getting back to school on.
Not yet. We're not signed up for it.
I'm just telling them, Beckham. We'll be. For a reminder, we'll be getting back to school on Monday. So if you meet Beckham, we'll probably be making less videos because Beckham has school too. He has preschool and daycare. He's only 4 years old.
And I have Sunday school.
And after we'll be busy on Sunday mornings, just like we always are, because we have Sunday school and church. Church isn't very long. Church wasn't very long yesterday because, last Sunday because we were just going through the last series of Jonah. I didn't get to do a sermon of the West of Jonah, which I probably won't get to any sooner, but we'll get to Joseph next Sunday. So me and Beckham will be gone until 3 o'clock. We'll get on the bus at 3 o'clock and we'll be home later. Yeah. Next summer, we're going to be talking about school a little bit to get you caught up about all school, and then we'll get to the fun reviews and stuff. Yeah, let's review the phone while you'll...
I'm gonna call somebody.
He's gonna demonstrate the phone.
No, I'm gonna call somebody if somebody say like they're watching the scene. Boop 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 boop. They're watching the scene. Yes. Then come out. We'll stop and we will fix it. Okay?
Yeah, we're gonna do a little thing where we pretend that it's a washing machine. So let's get to work.
He's coming in here. Please. Oh, and I don't. You don't. I need to do that. No, we need to no, you need to do that. No, it's not at the bottom. It's not at the bottom. It's right over here. No, you keep using stuff. I have a key. I'm getting no, don't do that. You have to take it out. So then you can clear the needle. See this? See, you brought the glue to clear the no, that's glue.
Zoom in the screw in there. Beckham, can you move out of the way so they can see? I'm sorry for the layer of the sunlight we just... What did I do? They can see a close-up of this. This is probably gonna go in one review except for the measurement thing. I've got to zoom out now so they can see a little better. There's the screw, and it's just the whole weapon deck was pretty much plastic.
Yeah.